Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Before we get into the video, make sure you share, like, and subscribe. Okay, so I got my shrimp. I'm gonna give it a good wash. I bought these already deveined. Next I'm gonna toss these in a bowl, add a little olive oil, and then go ahead and put in my seasonings. Give it a little stir. Make sure everything is nice and mixed. In this dish I'm gonna have carrots, bean sprouts, and red onions. For my fried rice, I like my onions chopped a little bigger. Not huge, but just a little bigger. You want to saute your shrimps, making sure not to overcook them. When your shrimps are done, you want to saute your vegetables next. Again, I'm using carrots, bean sprouts, and red onions. You can use whatever you like. I prefer this. My vegetables are done, so now I'm going to fry my eggs. Lightly fry them, don't overcook them as well. Also, I should mention, you guys, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel and your support is greatly appreciated. When your eggs are ready, add in your rice, scoop some of it to the side, and pour in your soy sauce. I'm using light soy sauce. After you pour in your soy sauce, you want to mix that all together, and your rice should be looking like this right about now. Next, you want to add in your shrimps and mix that together as well, giving it a nice stir. After that, you want to put in your vegetables and you should be just about done. At this point, you can put in anything extra you want, whether that's extra seasoning or whatever else you like. It's your preference. I didn't add in anything else. I don't like a lot of salt, so this dish has just enough sodium for my family. Anywho, that's it for tonight, guys. Hopefully you join me next time for another recipe. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.